chance to stop him, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this breath. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Having you in mind, it sucks that it's all ending. Yeah, I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. When you were young, baby, you would always make me tear up. Taking goofy videos and walking through the park. You would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Cuddle in your sheets, saying you sound asleep.